Hi, I'm Fred from therequirementsengineer.com. In this video, I will show you how to create a diagram using templates in Draw.io. And I will show you two methods so you can pick the one that fits your workflow. If you like practical tutorials about modeling and requirements engineering, please subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next videos. Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, is a free diagramming tool. I use it for flowcharts, org charts, network diagrams and more. The big advantage is the template library. It saves time and it makes your diagrams look clean fast. Let us start with method 1. This is perfect when you just open Draw.io. Now I open Draw.io. You can use the browser version or the desktop app. I am using the desktop app for this tutorial. On the startup screen, I click Create New Diagram. I choose this because I want to start with a new file. Now I see the templates. For this example, I choose a flowchart template. Then I click Create in the bottom area. Perfect. Now I am in the main editor. From here, I can edit immediately. For example, I double-click a shape and type my own text. And I can drag new shapes from the left panel. Templates give me a working structure, so I spend my time on content, not on layout. Now method 2. This is ideal when you are already working in Draw.io and want a new diagram. I go to the top left and click File. Now I click New. This opens the same template gallery again. I click on Create New Diagram again. Get into the library. This time I pick the simple Kanban board template. Then I click Create. Now the template loads and I am back in the editor, ready to customize. I can rename cards, add tasks, or change columns in seconds. So you have two options. First, create new diagram at Startup. Second, inside the editor, File, and then New. Templates help you move fast. They reduce complexity and they keep your diagrams consistent. If this video helped, please like it. It really supports the channel. Also subscribe for more Draw.io tutorials. And tell me in the comments, do you use Draw.io for flowcharts, BPMN, UML or something else? Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.